Preview. Sorry sound for copyright issue. Start video editing. First step. Go to video and video description. Go to sound. Add to favorite. Come back. Go to template. Use template. Select picture. Video ready. Export video without watermark. Video is exporting. Subscribe my channel. Second step. Share to TikTok. Go to add sound. Go to favorite. Select sound whose you favorite. Go to volume. Original sound 0, added sound to 100. Next. Post video. Thanks so much for watching video. Subscribe and like for more tutorials.